All right, let's try this again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I appreciate all the support. That's the first thing that I want to say. As you know, I went through my issues with the kidney problems. If you have watched my last two videos, then you know exactly what I went through and you know exactly what I ate. This is what's been going on this past year and a half. Ever since I got off of dialysis and they took the catheter out, I have basically went back to normal. I'm gonna tell you what I did do. So this is everything I did. I stopped taking the meds and I continue to eat healthy. I think that the diet plays a big part, being that I do implement a lot of fruits, a lot of veggies, but I do eat things like salmon. I eat ground turkey. I eat chicken. Like I eat nothing but organic foods. And I have to give thanks over to the diet. If it wasn't for the diet, I would not be where I am today. I think that's where a lot of people got it confused to where we think that we got a little bit of wiggle room. Like there's no wiggle room. And that's how I felt. I've been going to doctor's appointments and every doctor's appointment, my numbers are going back better and better every time. They always tell me that I need to take this or I need to take that. And I tell them I'm not taking anything. So
prednisone. You're not taking prednisone, are you? You're not taking etoposide, are you? Okay. You're taking ferrous sulfate iron?
I'm not taking nothing.
Nothing. Okay. All right. What about the Prozac? Nothing. Okay. All right.
Yeah, I probably won't take it.
Now you're down to 20.
I'm not taking nothing right now.
You're not taking prednisone. That is not correct. So they didn't tell you to stop. You just finished it and done, right? Is that what it is?
Yes, how are you?
I'm great. How you doing?
Okay, good. My name is Michael.
How you doing, Michael?
Pleasure to meet you, sir, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I would like you to get one, okay? And check your blood pressure because the next medication that we're going to give you is a kidney protective medication, but it is a blood pressure medication.
I'm not going to take no medication.
You don't want to take it, okay? Dialysis. 9 months ago, your kidney function is at around here. And then 6 months ago, it went to here. And then now, it's 67% around here. So the kidney function has improved, to say. Okay? That medication that Dr. Corbin sent you, that Jardiance, it's working.
I haven't been taking
You're
it.
not taking it?
Mm-mm.
Oh, what's causing this one?
Away from it as long as I can.
Right.
In the meantime, let us see, what do we take? Any medications? You take the Jardiance, that's very good.
No, I'm not taking nothing.
No?
I'm not taking anything.
Why?
Because I haven't been. So, I haven't been taking meds for about a year and a half, for a long time. I think, I'm not saying that I went against the grain, but I did a lot of research. Everything was pointing towards, just really watching what you put in your body. It's like a dream come true because I didn't think that I was going to get back to, my normal self. From what the doctors was telling me, they was telling me, put yourself on the kidney transplant list. They was telling me there's no getting off of dialysis. It was a pretty frustrating time. It was really frustrating. And I never got no good news. I did what I needed to do to give my kidneys the best chance that they can get. So if there's anybody going through what I went through, I just want to say you have to stay disciplined. This is not the time to doubt yourself. You need to have a mission, and that mission is to make sure that you are doing what you need to do. And that is you are eating healthy, and your body can't do what it needs to do if you don't give it the right nutrients and the right foods, which, like I said, I got a video on everything I ate. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment and I will answer as soon as possible. If you need to email me, I got my email in my bio, and I will leave a link so you can watch the video of everything that I ate. That is the ultimate determining factor right there, was what I ate, and just being patient, because like I said, the doctors wasn't telling me that I was going to be off of dialysis. Like they was telling me otherwise. So whatever you're hearing, I would say to block all that shit out, even if it's from your doctor. what I was told and from what happened, it's totally different. I want to tell you, if you don't think that is hope, there is hope. There's definitely hope. Whatever it came from leads back to what you're eating. I want to say thanks for all of the support and all the love. Anybody that's going through this same issue, I want to tell you that there's hope, and make sure that you do what you need to do so you can give your body and your kidneys the best chance to do what it needs to do, and that's eat healthy. Watch that video that I have. Like I said, it's a bunch of information in there on what I ate. Other than that, like, follow, and subscribe so you can stay updated. You know, I just want to help out as much as possible. So, you got this shit, and good luck to you. Let's get it.